In this video, we'll graph the linear equation y equals x plus 1, and we'll do it two ways. First, we'll plug some values in for x, find the corresponding y values, and plot those. Then we'll use the slope-intercept formula, y equals mx plus b, to check our work. So I'd like to start out by putting a 0 in for x, because I know that that'll probably fit on my graph here. So 0 plus 1, that's 1. I could put a 1 in. 1 plus 1, that's 2. And let's put a negative 1 in. Negative 1 plus 1, well, that's just 0. These are the points that we'll graph. So we find x is 0, y is 1. So here's x is 0, y is 1. That's our first point. X is 1, y is 2. So here's x1, y2. And then finally we have this negative 1, 0 here. So negative 1 and y is 0. So it stays right there. And these are the 3 points that we could draw a line through to have the graph for y equals x plus 1. Let's do that. And then let's put arrows on the end to show that our line here goes to infinity. So now we can check our work with the slope-intercept formula. So we have y equals mx plus b. b is the y-intercept. It's where our line is going to go through the y-axis, and that's 1. So we go to the y-axis and we find 1 right there. Next, we look at the slope. So there's a 1 in front of the x. We don't write it, but it's there. And we could consider this as just 1 over 1. It's the same thing. It's 1. But now we have rise over run. So we could rise 1 and go over 1. So let's go to our y-intercept. We rise 1, we go over 1. Just keep doing this. Rise 1, go over 1. Rise 1, go over 1. And likewise, we could go in the opposite direction. We could go down 1, over 1, the opposite direction, down 1, over 1. And you can see that all of these points, they're on our line, the line y equals x plus 1. So we know we did this part correctly. And this is the graph for the linear equation y equals x plus 1. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.